allotropes of carbon. Carbon differs from other members of the family due to its smaller size, then high electronegativity, high ionization energy and lack of d orbitals. Okay. Due to this lack of d orbitals, carbon cannot exceed its covalency more than 4. Okay. Carbon cannot exceed its covalency more than 4. But other members can exceed its covalency more than 4 due to the presence of d orbitals. Okay. Next, carbon also forms pi-pi bond with itself and with other atoms having high electronegativity and smaller size. Example, carbon can form pi bonds like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. With itself, pi bond with itself and with other atoms which are having high electronegativity and smaller size. Okay. These are some of the examples. Also, carbon is having a remarkable ability of self-linkage. Self-linkage. It is known as catenation. Okay. Catenation is the process in which carbon atoms are linked to each other, okay, and form chains and rings. Carbon atoms are linked to each other. To form chains and rings. Chains and rings through covalent bonds. Okay. Through covalent bonds and form different carbon compounds. Okay, through covalent bonds, and they form different carbon compounds. So, due to these properties, carbon can form allotropes. Now, what is meant by allotropy? Allotropy is the property in which the chemical elements exist in two or more different forms in same physical state. Okay. Allotropy is the property in which chemical elements exist in two or more different forms in same physical state. Okay, that is, we can say in the case of different isotopes, atoms of the elements are bonded together in different manner. Okay, so carbon exists in two allotropic forms, that is crystalline form and amorphous form. Crystalline forms of carbon are diamond and graphite. Diamond and graphite. And amorphous form are coal, charcoal and lamp-black. Coal, charcoal, then lamp-black. Okay. Now the third form of carbon. Third form is fullerene. Third form of carbon. Okay. Third allotropic form of carbon is fullerene, and it was discovered by Croto, Smalley and Aruf. It was discovered by Croto, Smalley and Aruf. Okay. And in the case of tin contains maximum number of isotopes. Tin has maximum number of allotropes. Okay. Next, in case of graphite is thermodynamically more stable. Thermodynamically more stable, and its enthalpy of formation is found to be 0. Okay. And in the case of diamond and fullerene, delta H, that is the enthalpy of formation is found to be 1.90 and 38.1 kilojoule mole inverse. Okay. Next, in the case of carbon black, then coke and charcoal, these are the impure forms of graphite or fullerenes. Okay, impure forms of graphite or fullerenes or carbon black. Okay, then coke and charcoal, these are the impure forms of graphite or fullerenes. And carbon black can be formed by burning hydrocarbon in limited supply of air. Okay, carbon black can be obtained by burning hydrocarbons in limited supply of air. Okay, and charcoal and coke are obtained by heating wood or coal. Okay, coke and charcoal can be obtained by heating wood or coal at very high temperature in absence of air. Okay, at high temperature in absence of air. Okay.